baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today is Saturday. And if you guys watched the last video, then you guys remember that I told you I had a lot of things going on and I really couldn't talk about it on the last video, but today, girl, I can give y'all all the tea, okay? So because I'm a great big sister, I'm throwing my baby sister a surprise dinner here at the house. She thinks we're going to Morton's, but we're actually doing it at the house. Of course, we can go out to dinner, but I just thought that it'll be a little more special if we do it here. So she wanted some lamb chops and I'm gonna make her her own personal seafood tower because she said she wanted some seafood too. She really didn't know what she wanted to get, so at the restaurant she think we're going to Morton's again, but we're not, girl. We're doing it right here at IAMSHERIKAB house. So that's what we're doing. So right now I have to run a few more errands. I gotta go get the balloons, I gotta pick up the cake, and it's gonna be something small. Just a handful of us. A lot of people's not coming because we just wanted something just really small and cute, and it was at the last minute, which I'm happy that I planned it at the last minute because, girl, I probably would have spent way too much money because sometimes I tend to overdo it. So this is what I have so far. I just brought two chairs out because that's all I had inside the house. I usually use these chairs for my mukbang. We have some more in my garage. And then I did this flower arrangement myself last night. It's so pretty. So Kalila loves pink. So this was done by yours truly. I love it. I just put it in this vase right here. I got this vase from, I think, like Walmart years ago. But it's so pretty. It has like the roses with the pink tips and then the hot pink roses. So we're going to pick up some balloons. My son's best friend's sister is doing them. She did Aaron's arch when my son threw Aaron a surprise party. So I plan on just putting it like over here in this corner right here. And then I have an Amazon package that's lost, which was a happy birthday sign. I'll try to insert a clip right here. So it was a happy birthday sign that I can stick onto the cake because I did the cake very simple, and I plan on putting some fake roses on top of the cake because I got a little small cake. Most of us don't eat cake, so it's like a cake. I think it'll feed like 12 or something like that. And yeah, I'm so excited. So this is my outfit for the day. Hopefully it's not too dark. Then y'all know this shirt right here is from Target that I bought during Black History Month. This shirt is so chic and I love it. And then I'm wearing my YSL bag, and then these shoes right here, y'all, are so cute and comfy. I got these from Target. They had like 2 different colors, but they're so cute. Just like the knotted look in the front. I love these. So I'm gonna just take you with me throughout the day, and then once we get dressed and do all the cutesy things, of course you guys will be a part of that. And yeah, so let's get today started.
This might be right. Either you feel it or you don't. Might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. I feel so alive when I'm with you.
Got the
I'm on flight mode, you move me inside.
Secured the bag.
Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Somebody
having Publix. Ah! I'm so happy.
How we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't.
Alright, y'all. So we're gonna bring in the balloons. She did give us the option to add more balloons. I don't know how to do that, but we gonna see. All right. So here it is. How we gonna hang these up? I ain't thinking out that far. Okay. But we gonna figure it out. Something like that. This is what we have so far. Y'all, this is her gift that I got from Pandora. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna sit there right there. So here's some flowers that I picked up for the cake that I was telling you guys about. I got these from Hobby Lobby and they were $4.99 but 50% off. So I bought these. And I'm gonna, like I said, put them on top of the cake, but I gotta cut the stem a little bit because obviously it's too long. So yeah, this is what I'll be using. Just some really pretty pink roses. Going in the kitchen, and I'm gonna make some macaroni and cheese. Ryan's here, so y'all know he's doing the lamb chops, mashed potatoes, green beans, and then bye, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I am dressed and I'm ready to party. Let me show y'all what I'm wearing. So these are like sweatpants. They have the pockets and then they're wide leg. They're so cute. These are from H&M, and then this top is from Forever 21. And it's the brown skin for me. Always, period. So she did think that we were going to dinner, but when she walked in the studio, she like, oh my God, I'm so happy. So it's gonna be nice. We're gonna have a nice little family dinner. Y'all know I love my family. I'm a big family girl. So this was just very sweet, and I'm happy that she appreciated it all. So we're gonna eat good, have a few drinks, you know, pop a few bottles. It's 21, baby.
Oh, it's all girly in here. One thing. Oh, it's wrapped up.
It's for the 21st birthday. Let me see.
Oh, that's cute. Let me see. Thank you.
Okay, y'all, so today is Sunday and we are wrapping up the birthday bash. So today, what you got to say?
Thank you very much.
Get out of here. So today we're doing a brunch. So we just got back in from the store, so I'll show you guys what we picked up. Strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, grapes, more grapes, tomatoes, oranges, syrup, Cheeto puffs, cinnamon rolls, sausage links, waffles, butter, bread, eggs, pickles, and bananas.